What's up, guys? OCTV here. This is Exploding Hookah.
Shit, we gotta take covers. Oh, it's this. Oh shit.
Oh my god.
Holy fuck.
What happened?
Where'd the ball?
Where did everything? Oh, this is okay. Oh no, this is done right here.
Yo, where'd the ball go?
That's broken.
Look, it completely disappeared.
Yeah. What's up, guys? Original Class TV here. Thanks for watching us blowing up a hookah. Click on the left annotation for our last week's video. Click on the right annotation for our next week's video. Thank you so much for coming. Please subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.